Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 11 PC the easiest way possible. Whether your system is running slow, settings got messed up, or you simply want a fresh start, this guide will help you reset your computer step by step. First, click on the search icon and type reset. From the results, select reset this PC. You can also access it another way. Right-click the Start button, open Settings, go to System, scroll down, and click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you'll see Reset this PC. Click Reset PC to begin. If you're using a laptop, make sure it's plugged into the charger before starting the reset process. Now you'll see two options. Keep My Files. Choose this if you want to keep your personal files while removing apps and resetting settings. Remove Everything. Choose this if you want a complete fresh start by deleting all files, apps, and settings. For this tutorial, let's select Keep My Files. Next, you'll see two reinstall options. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Local Reinstall reinstalls Windows using files already on your PC. If you're not sure whether your computer has a proper factory setup, I recommend choosing Local Reinstall first. Click Next, and Windows will start preparing the reset process. You'll then see a summary screen showing what will happen during the reset. Since we selected Keep My Files, your personal files will remain safe. Once you click Reset, your PC will restart and begin resetting automatically. Now let's look at the second option, Remove Everything. This option completely wipes your personal files, apps, and settings, perfect if you want your PC to feel brand new again. You can again choose between Local Reinstall or Cloud Download. If Local Reinstall doesn't work properly, go with Cloud Download instead. Keep in mind that Cloud Download requires an internet connection and may download around 4 to 5 GB of data. After the download finishes, Windows will begin resetting your computer automatically. And that's it. That's how you can easily reset your Windows 11 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.